I will do the calls and counts and then the restart facing the back. It goes like this. Moving to the side, side, behind, quarter right, step forward, half turn left, weight is right. Step, lock, step, we have a sweep, in front, side, behind, we rock, recover together. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, recover. Now we're going over our right shoulder 3/4 to the back and stepping forward. Rock, recover, half. So let's have a look at that. So it's 1, 2, So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, Now we have 3 prissy walks, 5, 6, 7, and a quick weave, 8 and So let's have a look at the whole dance from the top with calls. 7, 8. Side, behind, quarter, step, half, forward, lock, forward, sweep, front, side, behind, side, rock, recover together, rock, recover 3/4, rock, recover, half, prissy, 2, 3, in front, side, behind. Our next section is a nightclub, side, behind, back rock, side, behind, quarter turn left, keep turning left another half, sweep, behind, side, cross, recover, quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, step, pivot, step, quarter, half, cross, flick, sway left, sway right, behind, side, cross, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Then we start the dance. 1. Let's do the second wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. When we face the third wall, we're facing the back, we have a restart. After we have our prissies, right, left, right, in front, side, behind. Now we normally have a nightclub here, we're going to restart. So, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and The last wall will be facing the back. We're up to our hip sway, so we're going to hip sway left, then we're going to recover right, we're going to turn half left, step on it, and drag right up to left. End of dance. Hope that helps.